falling. Why is dollar falling, you might ask? Well, it's because we've hit some targets. We have hit the weekly target this week, we hit weekly target last week, and we have hit monthly target a long time ago. So if this one's supposed to rise for December, we have to have a pullback. Is this a sellable pullback? I don't know about that. Aussie continues to fall despite dollar being falling. You can't sell or buy here at this moment, so just gonna take a chill pill on Aussie and wait for better prices. So if we do start here, if this was the 1st of December, I would then at least expect something like that before at least seeing if 7250 would be challenged. So as you can see from other months before, when we have fallen the last end of it, that might be a trend to the upside. So just having fun there. Euro has maybe already started that small turnaround, but yet again, still just a double bottom-ish, and we're still looking for if this is going to be a higher high. So maybe now. What is this, you might ask? I would call that a take profit. What is a take profit scenario? Take profit scenario where market just goes, it goes very fast up again, doesn't really have good pullbacks, you can't really catch it, and all of a sudden it stops and starts falling back down again like an iceberg because it found sellers. So this market right now is definitely looking for sellers. So definitely interesting to look into. Are you going to trade it? That's up to you. I'm not going to, because I'm still under influence of those medications. So that's at least something you could look out for on the 1 hour. But yeah, still to the downside. But I guess can be some 100 pips up there for until next week, probably, give and take. Good pound, same situation, taking profit for most of the week, most of the months. So basically just hoping for some kind of pullback here. So, and again, it's a lower low, and maybe it can do something like that. So right now, technically, the reason why I didn't want to look at the market at the beginning was because the market is where it is. It's not really it's not really at a good place to sell or buy or whatsoever. So yen pair seems to just have taken a dip, and it said adios, and not that bothered me too much. We didn't hold that level. I wanted to hold that level, but I also said for the past this week, I don't want to trade it because it's still a range. It hasn't given me bullish price action. Now it fell. See, learn. If the market is not with you, just be patient and wait for it, and maybe that is a better idea in the end. So yeah, lovely. So now just wait for reversals, and if you don't have done reversals before, how does reversals look like? Reversal can come in many shapes and forms, but I want it to look like this. So maybe that one, that's a great one, by the way. Those are examples of somehow the market can turn around, but yeah. So this could have been a turnaround point, but it didn't want to. So that's another one that's taking a bit more time compared to that one, but I still want this to happen. Why do I do that? Because I have found profitability in it for a very long time, and I swear by, and it's not always easy, it's not always straightforward, it's not always giving me entries. Sometimes the market just goes away and I don't get anyone, but that's lost for the different day.